In this video, I will show you how to uninstall Visual Studio Code from Windows 10 11. So open the add remove program, and then in the search bar type code, and you can see the Visual Studio Code is here. To uninstall, click uninstall and then again click on uninstall. So the Visual Studio Code uninstaller is started, and it is asking do you want to remove the Visual Studio Code and all its component. Click on yes, and now the uninstaller is removing Visual Studio Code from Windows 10 machine. Remove the Visual Studio Code from Windows 10. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.